Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, and Sunday we have a Sunday talk. And yeah, I told you last time that I want to show you the video that I filmed about how I steam blocked this piece last week. I wanted to do, but I was not feeling well, and now I feel much better. Just didn't have time to edit that video. But also the good news is I talked to the yarn company Lovecraft, and they are agreed to do the yarn giveaway. So I will wait to release that video when I think maybe next week, because next week we're gonna finish testing this one so that I can do that video and do the giveaway at the same time, and I can also show you the piece from the tester when they finish this piece. But yeah, last time I showed you a little bit. I think I'm not so sure if it was already ready, because the piece after steam is become much softer now. So this is, I show you again then, this is like after steam. It's very soft and I really love it. Oh yeah, last time you already see, because I went out to do a photo shoot as well. I forgot. So yeah, this week I actually don't have much to update with you or what I have been doing, because I was not feeling well. But what I also realized that I constantly have this feeling inside of me when I kind of like I need to rest, but I also need to work because the pattern was not ready back then. I kind of have halfway through of the pattern, I mean the written pattern, and the testing process already start. So I have to work like every day. I did some work 2 or 3 hours, or maybe even more, 4 or 5 hours during the time that I was not feeling well. And I have this feeling all the time that I have to do something. And even though after I feel better and I feel like my body really needs to, you know, don't do so much, don't start a new project yet. So for that I didn't do any new project. But also part of me, it's not like a guilty feeling, but it's more like, oh, so much work I have to do. People are waiting for me to create something new, because this is for collaboration, commission collaboration. So it's nothing to do with my own sale, like my own design, because we have people who are membership who will receive the pattern every month, and I kind of like, I think I need to work now, I need to work now. So yeah, it's kind of constantly fighting inside of me. And yesterday I also have this feeling I have to surrender, you know, that this moment my body needs rest. And this is what I learned. I should not push myself so much. And I think this could be something you might resonate with me. If you do, please let me know in the comment below if you have this feeling sometimes that you feel like you have to do something all the time, or twice is, yeah, you don't feel like you, it's, I don't know the word, deserve is just a strong word for this case. But I know that I deserve to rest. I know that I deserve to, you know, enjoy the time doing nothing. But because of me always constantly want to create, I think because also I want, when I look at all this yarn, because a new project I'm going to use this yarn, and when I see this yarn and I feel like I want to do something with this yarn, I want to start to create something quick, not quick like start something soon, like to decide something, not to finish quick, but to have an idea what I want to do. Because this yarn have been sent over to me from Cascade. I want to show you a little bit about this yarn that I have. This is a very beautiful green. I hope you can see. You know, I have to hide here because the light was so strong, the sun. So this is a beautiful green, and I really like the mixture. Oops. No, the peacock I just take. I really like the what do you call, like the texture, not just the texture, how they put this, the color together. Have a little white inside, not so much, it's just perfect. And this one is called Eco Hemp is the combination of merino wool with hemp. So if you wonder if it's hard because it's hemp, no, actually not, because it's only 20% hemp and 80% merino. So I'm very excited inside of me, like what I'm going to do with this. I told them that I want to make a princess dress, because it's like a princess dress. I mean, like a forest princess, you know, for spring. But now my idea kind of changed. Last night I have this thought, I want to do something something like the 80s fashion kind of vibes, because I think in the 80s is so cool. I also watch a lot of series like This Day on Netflix. When I was not so well, I just marathon with Netflix, like non-stop with Netflix. Yeah, so now I come across this feeling of making something like the 80s style. I don't know yet, so you have to stay tuned and see what is coming out from this one. I will be sharing for sure on Instagram and Facebook, and if you're not using those platforms, just make sure you check on community tab, and I will also post some photo there. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just gonna window yarn this one today. I have 10 skein of this. I think 10 skein. Yeah, I have, yeah, I have 10 skein of this. I think this will be more than enough. One skein is 328 yards, and this is DK, I believe. This made in Peru. Peruvian Highland wool and 20% hemp. Yeah, I think this color will be nice on me. And another thing, I cut my hair. I cut my hair yesterday. I cut it myself. I cut like this. I take the elastic, tie, like I make a two, you know, like separate two sides like this, and I tie like this. I look in the video on YouTube and I see the girl, she said, use the elastic and tie your hair like this and just do 2 cuts. And I was like, oh, so easy, I'm gonna do that too. So I used the elastic and I tied my hair like what she said exactly, and I'm trying to cut, but my hair was apparently much more than her hair, and it couldn't go just one snap. And she was like, you just cut one snap and it's done. But it's not. So my hair going like halfway and couldn't go anymore. Like, it's because it's a little bit thicker than her. And I think I have to do 3 times one side and 3 times the other side, and then I do the back. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, I think. So Kai was helping me a little bit at the back, and at night I did it more just because I feel like, yeah, I want it to be layer kind of thing, but I'm not a hairdresser. I have a hair, like professional hair cutter, but yeah, that's what I get so far. I need some change. I feel that after I'm not feeling well for some days, I need to cut out the thing from the old me to go out. And I think also the process of, I want to work smarter, not harder this year. Like, I don't want to just work and didn't have time to enjoy. So I'm kind of in this process right now to, yeah, to take more time for me and just enjoy. I also have an idea last night. I wanted to, how to say it? I want to make crochet in a different way. Like, I'm still going to make clothes, of course, because I love it. I love buying my own clothes. But I think I'm going to study more and see if I would also like to do crochet installation. I like it, but I just don't know where to start. So if you have any idea or any resources that I can look up to, or you know, someone that you think that I would get inspired by to watch their work. For example, Oleg, I really like her work. And also I like also the clothing that has a theme, you know. For example, Katie Jones, I have been look up her work last night I watched her video. I don't know if you know that she has, many of people know her on Instagram, Katie Jones. She make crochet and knitwear for London Fashion Week, but now she, I think sometime already 5-6 years, she have her brand for 5-6 years. I don't know exactly how long, but she has a pattern for sale as well, and her work is quite amazing. You should check her work out. But she also have a YouTube channel here, not for the tutorial, but more like to show the work that she, you know, work with a professional, like fashion show, thing like that. It's quite amazing, quite impressive. And I like that she put the clothes into exhibition, you know, because her clothes has a theme, like the colors and thing like that. I really love her style, so make sure to check it out. But I also would like to do something more like installation art, that people can go inside and experience a certain feeling when be in the certain construction that covered by crochet. I don't know it yet. I have a feeling like I have an idea some time ago to do a womb room, but then I didn't really continue because the strong fire inside kind of like stop, so I didn't want to keep pushing when there's no more how to say it, push and pull feeling that I really want to do. So it's kind of the seed that I now speak it out loud, because when I speak it out loud, it's like I plant the seed under the ground, and now is the time to water it and see if it will come to life. That is one thing that I wanted to share. Look, I told you, I don't know if I told you that, but I was like, I have nothing to share today. I have nothing to talk because my week was nothing much, but now I end up, I don't know how long I talk already. I don't want to be so long. I want to hear from you. How was your week? How was your you know, Saturday? Or are you crochet a lot this week? You've been somewhere? Are you healthy? And if you got cold or something like that, just let me know. I want to let you know that if you got cold, make sure to take grapefruit seed extract. That's what I take every day now. Kai make me take that every day. And he also make this curcuma, like turmeric, with honey and little bit of olive oil, and he make like mix together in a jar, and I take every day in the morning. And also I take a lot of magnesium when I have headache, so it helps a lot. I didn't take any pill like from the pharmacy or thing like that at all, and I have high fever and everything like that, but I only take mineral, and it helps me. Like 2 days I have a strong high fever and no energy, and I just take the mineral and yeah, grapefruit seed extract and the thing that I just tell you, and it's helped me immensely. Now I'm good again. If you want to know more details, the medicine that he gave me, he also make me this DMSO and CDL, like the mixture that I drink and strengthen my immune system and kill the virus inside my body. I don't know so much about that though, but if you want to know more, just let me know in the comment below, and I can give you the name of this medicine that he gave to me, and it's helped me. Yeah, he's healing me. Alright, I hope you not get bored with this talk today. It's not so much to share about things, just like what happened. I wish you a beautiful Sunday, and I talk to you again soon. I hope to have a video with crochet showing you. I want to maybe make a video also behind the scene, how I design this piece. Let's start, like, yeah, I don't know yet. Let me know if you want to see that. I wish you stay healthy and stay beautiful as you are. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.